I'm going to be making a hole with this thing. You gotta like squeeze the top, twist it, and push down. That was an epic fail. But look, I got all the dirt in there. I'm gonna make a hole out of this. I'm not sure what this is called. Do you know what it's called?
That's a bulb planter.
Bulb planter. Well, you put it in the ground where you want to put it, and then you gotta squeeze this. And then you just twist and push down on it. Then it makes a nice hole. It's holding the dirt. So you plant what you need, and then you can put the dirt back in there. How much was this?
What?
The bulb planter.
It was like $3, $4, but it was in the clearance, so I think they normally cost like $5.
Yeah.
All right, $5, $7.
So it did pretty good. The other hole didn't work out too well, but this one worked out pretty good.